This video looks at support options available to ProTax users. How can you get assistance? So in product, there's some help options. There's also the availability of customer success experts, either by chat or by phone. There's videos and webinars. We have a YouTube website, Intuit Accountants, and there's QuickBooks community. Let's have a look first at the in-product help. There's QuickBooks help and there's ProTax help. And we'll go to ProTax and have a look at those. I'm in a typical looking ProTax account. If I look up here, there's help, and this is QuickBooks help. So I can change the filters here and maybe search for work papers as an example and get options here. Again, these are QuickBooks related. And if I look here, there's no other options on this page. This demonstrates that depending on whether you're on a return or not, you might get different options. So I'm opening a return here. As soon as I open the return, I see down at the bottom right, there's ProTax help. And I have different options here. I can chat. Let's have a look at chat. You can just enter your email address, name, and what you're requesting. Start chat, and it'll connect you to an available Intuit customer success expert. Let's continue looking at the other items here in the ProTax help and support. There's the visit the hub, but to connect to Intuit customer success experts, you can chat or you can call. If you decide you want to call, this phone number is for profile and ProTax, sales, and support. If you call, just click English and then follow the prompts for ProTax support. Outside of ProTax, I click on Visit, and it takes me to Community page. So I can select options here, and I can just type in where, and I can just enter in something like where to enter e-filer information. It'll pull up articles here. Again, these are QuickBooks and ProTax. So I've got one here, registering for electronic. So it gives me all the information I need for how to get an e-filer number and then where to enter. So that's just an example of an article we have, and that's in the QuickBooks community. I'm going to go back to Visit Online Help Hub. It's QuickBooks, Intuit QuickBooks, it says. So there's QuickBooks support, which takes you to this page, and there's topics. You might find these helpful. Just to let you know, though, taxes generally relates to sales tax, which may or may not be what you want, but just taxes isn't ProTax tax. Then there's training, and there's tutorials and videos. So there's a list of them here. Notice these are all on YouTube. And then there's the community. So this might be helpful to get to community. You might find some training or tutorials that you want. So those are some other support options that you can get indirectly through ProTax. Outside of ProTax, we have our ProTax website, and you can look at webinars there. And then on YouTube, we have videos. We'll first look at webinars and the ProTax website. You can get to the ProTax website. I do a Google search for Intuit Canada ProTax. There's this site here, Intuit QuickBooks ProTax. So here what I can look at is there's webinars, and there's actually a calendar here of all the webinars. You can click on and join them if you like. Also, here is a link to the community. So that's a way to get to the actual ProTax website, and you can have a look around. There's learn and support, some options here. Last thing I want to look at here is the videos we have. We have an Intuit Accountant Canada YouTube channel, and there's playlists for ProTax. Let's go have a look at how you get to that YouTube channel and what the playlists are. I'm again at the search engine that I use, and I'm looking for Intuit Accountant Canada, search videos, and there's Intuit Accountants Canada YouTube. Click on that, And there's playlists. You can search for a video. The other thing is the playlists. So we put out videos on different topics. And so we have QuickBooks, different things here. There's this playlist for ProTax how-to videos. And if I click on the full playlist, it has a list of the videos that we have. And so I find just going for a search and going to the playlist in YouTube, I can check to see something I might want. I could say, oh, well, there's client letters. Maybe I'll have a look at that. And notice we try and make them all fairly short, so they're on a specific topic and short, so you can get the answers you need very quickly. So that shows the different options you have for help and support. We'd love to hear from you if you want to chat or call. If you look for videos, keep an eye. There might be updates. Same with webinars. You can look at the webinar schedule occasionally. You might see something new there. Thank you for using QuickBooks ProTax.